Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado!
Weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, central Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania.
Tornado. Yes!
A severe thunderstorm.
First tornado warning of 2025! Yes!
50 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Vandergrift, Leechburg, North Apollo, Orchard Hills, Rural Valley, Oklahoma, North Vandergrift, Hyde Park, Ernest, Eldon, Creekside, Plumville, Chiloctaw, Atwood, and Crooked Creek Lake Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Not like this morning. Not quite as active as her mother, but she has kind of what your mom does, like 2 different days a week. She meets people for
Weather bulletin.
Woo!
He was 80. Really can't complain. Had a great life at 60-something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tornado. Did you hear me, Mom? Tornado warning.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include New Salem, Beaver Falls, Halifax, Sharpsville, Wellsville, Wellsburg, New Brighton,
A tornado warning is issued for the Armstrong in Indiana. Finally!
are capable of producing widespread damage and winds. Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Fayette, Indiana, and Westmoreland, and Preston, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania.
Tornado warning!
Weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Mount Pleasant or 11 miles northeast of Connellsville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ligonier, Laurel Mountain, Donegal, Royal Hannah Gorge, Jones Mills, Laurel Mountain State Park, and Acme. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette, and Westmoreland. Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Fayette,
This tornado warning is for green.
West Virginia,
and
National Weather Service in
Fayette and Westmoreland.
southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County in west central
There we go.
Pennsylvania, northeastern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia until 2 p.m. At 12:56 severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Overlordboro to near Connellsville, or along the line from 7 miles west of Apollo to near Connellsville, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind